Alright, so Michelle is here for the first time. She has complained of neck and upper back pains because she works in the computer every day, and definitely which lead to turtleneck. When you see from the side, you see her head way in the front with the rounded shoulders. So today I'm gonna give her Groston's soft tissue therapy on the neck and upper back. And then I'm gonna get her adjustments, first adjustments there. So let's get started. Okay, can you go ahead and face down here?
Face down?
Mm-hmm.
Like put my face on here?
Hands down on the armrest here. Yeah, right there. Mm-hmm. To relax on your face down there. Good. So you had an experience of adjustments, correct? No?
Oh, actually, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because of the car accident,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's the kind of thing we're gonna do here.
But I only did that like twice.
Twice, okay. A little bit opens up right there. Can you look a little bit higher? Yeah. Just there. Okay. Can you look a little more? Yeah. Okay, relax your back, relax your shoulders. Hold shoulders down. Good. Let's take a deep breath in. And breathe out all the way out and relax your back. Good.
Oh.
That's it. It hurt a little bit, yeah? How you feel? It's a good cracks, huh? Alright, that was a good one. Okay, now let's check your leg length. Okay, let's see. Alright, looks like half an inch short on the left side. Let me bring it up to right here. And almost even now. Back to shorts. So that telling me your left pelvis kind of shift down.
Probably from crossing my legs, right?
This pelvis kind of shifted down here.
Okay.
So let me press it here. Is there any tender?
Oh, yeah.
What about this side here?
No, a little.
Do you feel more tender in this side here
Oh, yeah.
than this side?
Yeah.
Okay, I feel restricted on this side here too as well. Okay, it might be this pelvis lifted up
Okay.
superiorly maybe, because it's more tender here. Okay, now, can you turn side and facing me?
Good?
Mm-hmm. So, can you scoot forward a little bit? Okay, might be a little bit discomfort. I'm gonna pull out the shoulders out of the way.
Okay.
We'll put both hands on the side right there.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna roll you over towards me, but you're not gonna fall down or anything because I'm blocking here.
Okay.
So don't worry
Okay.
and just relax.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh.
That's it. How you feel?
I think I'm broken.
You feel like you're broken?
I think I'm broken.
It cracks. It didn't hurt, right? Wow, lots of cracks. All right, that was good.
Okay.
Now, can you turn the other side?
This way?
This side, facing me.
Oh.
That's good.
I feel
Alright.
like my body left my soul.
Now, I'm gonna fix your pelvis, okay?
Okay.
Like that. And scoot forward a little bit more. That's it. Same thing, I'm gonna pull the shoulder out of the way. Let's put both hands on the side. Okay, good. Okay, not bad. Alright. Now, can you have a sit and facing this side here? Now, I'm gonna adjust your neck. And it's called a ninja move because I'm gonna climb up to the table here.
Okay.
It looks like a ninja behind you.
Okay.
But I'm gonna adjust your neck here.
Okay.
Okay. So look straight. Let's check here. How you feel so far? It doesn't really hurt, right? A little scared?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
A lot scared.
A lot scared? But how you felt? It hurt or?
It hurt a little bit, but it's okay.
It feels good too, right?
Uh-huh.
Right. You felt released.
I don't know what I feel.
First time, huh? Okay. So turn right here. And drop your head down onto my hands. Relax your head. Relax your shoulder.
Oh my god.
Wow. I didn't really expect that much. But that was really loud.
Oh, I'm sweating.
It's okay. It's okay. How you feel?
Oh, that one felt good.
Oh, it felt good. Yeah. All right. Look straight.
Okay.
Let's check the range again.
Okay, okay.
Look straight and turn right. Turn this side. Good. And turn the other side. Moving is okay. Good, right?
Okay.
Okay. Let me check on the other side. That one's a big one. Okay. This side is a little better, but I'm gonna have you on this table again, face up. Okay. Lay on
up?
your back. Okay. Now try to relax your shoulder, relax your neck. Okay. Wow. Wow. Another good one.
Wow.
How you feel?
Oh,
That was
great.
good. Right. I'm gonna check your ankle as well. Let me see. Any ankle problem?
No.
No? Okay, just relax there. There you go. Send this side. A little better. It already popped. Okay, that was good. All right. I'm just gonna pull a little bit here. Okay. Your ear is okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. I'm just gonna pull a little more. You good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, take a deep breath in and breathe out all the air out. Nice and easy.
Oh.
It's okay, it's okay. You can just relax. How you feel? I heard a big pop. Right?
Huh?
I heard a big pop.
Pop?
Do you feel any pop?
Yeah, I felt all of it.
All of it, right? Yeah, that's how it goes. It opens up all the way joint down to your low back. Okay? Okay. Show me full range. Turn right. See how you feel. How you feel? Good? Turn the other side. Alright, look down. Look up. How you feel? Any difference?
Oh yeah.
Lighter? Move better?
It moves better.
That's good. One last thing, okay? It's an easy one.
I don't want to
Turn the other one. Facing the other side. Let's put both hands behind your head.
Like
You know,
this?
locking your finger. Yeah, hold it there. I'm gonna put my hands between here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And just lay on my back. Relax your back. Hold it tight. That's it.
Okay.
Little clicks.
Okay.
Alright. That's it for today.
Thank you.
You never felt it, huh?
No.
That's the house.